Hello everyone, I'm Suchetna
I am Avijit.
and welcome to
Narayana Educational Institutions.
So, the JEE Mains Exam 2026 Session 2 just got over. And students are just walking out after writing one of India's toughest engineering entrance exams.
And we are here to capture the live reactions of the students. So let's go. What's your name?
Srishank.
Prishank. You have just appeared for JEE Main Session 2. How did your exam go?
Pretty moderate.
Pretty?
Moderate.
That's good. And what about Session 1? Have you appeared for Session 1?
Yeah.
What did you feel? Which one was more difficult, Session 1 or Session 2?
Session 2.
Session 2 was
Yeah.
more difficult.
Hello, what is your name?
Myself, K. Shriman. I am an intermediate second year student from Adipatla Narayana College.
So, you just appeared for the JEE Mains Session 2 exam. How was your exam?
I had written well compared to the first session, but some of the questions were asked differently from the first session. Most of them has thought they would be replica questions from the first session, but some of the questions are asked different compared to the first session.
Which subject did you have more difficulties?
I would say that physics and maths, but entirety, chemistry and physics was moderate. Maths too was also moderate.
Maths was very difficult. Which topic of maths? Was it calculus? Was it algebra?
Calculus regarding indefinite and definite were asked in different compared to the session 1.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Sudeep Chandan.
You have just appeared for JEE Main Session 2. How did your exam go?
It's not well.
It's not well. Did you feel it is difficult?
Not difficult, but I didn't write well.
You didn't write well. Did you also appear for Session 1?
Yeah.
What was, in comparison, Session 2 was more difficult?
No. It's easy.
It's easier.
Paper one.
Which subject do you feel is more easier or more difficult for you?
All were easy.
All were easy. So, which part did you write the best in the exam?
Maths.
Maths. Maths you felt it is easier?
Yeah.
What about physics and chemistry?
Those are also easy, but I'm good at maths. That's why I felt maths was easy.
Okay. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Bhuvan Karthik.
So you have just appeared for JEE Main Session 2. How did your exam go?
It went well.
It went well.
Compared to the first session, it was good.
So you have also appeared for Session 1.
Yeah.
So compared to that, you felt it is good.
Yeah.
That's very good. So which part do you feel that it was more easier? Which subject?
Maths was way more easier compared to remaining two.
Maths was way more easier. What did you feel? The exams, what did you feel? The question that has come, they are following a trend or it was little exceptional?
No, some questions are like depending on the weightage of the lessons. Remaining are always some questions are repeated every
Some questions
year.
are repeated.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. So if we study according to the more weightage questions, we'll obviously score more than we expected.
Very good.
Hello, what is your name?
Avi Guruvali.
So, you just appeared for the JEE Main Session 2 exam. How was your exam?
It was comparatively easier than the first one, at least.
So, you appeared for Session 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so where did you find it was easier? Which subject?
Physics and chemistry were comparatively easier. I mean, it's all on the basis of how you prepare. Now, first session was a kind of a bit difficult.
So, you prepared better this time, you're saying?
Yeah.
Alright, so which section did you find most difficult this time?
Oh, maths, because you need a lot of preparation for maths, and then you just can't get that from session 1 to session 2. Like, the jump is not there.
Right. So, which topic of maths did you find most difficult questions from?
Conic sections.
Right. And how many questions did you attempt?
I attempted approx 35.
35. So, do you think the paper was really lengthy or you could manage time across all sections?
Maths was lengthy, I mean, for me. But then physics and chemistry were doable. They were good.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Sharan Agastya.
You have appeared for JEE Main Session 2. How did your exam go?
The exam was pretty good. I felt maths was a bit hard, but physics and chemistry was really good. And I prepared really good, and I feel like this will definitely boost my energy, and I'll get good percentile.
Very good. Did you also appear for Session 1?
Yeah, I appeared for session 1 on 28th, the second shift. Comparing, this was a little tougher, especially the maths. Physics and chemistry were good.
So what did you feel like in maths? Which portion of the maths or which topic of maths was more difficult?
Conic sections was little difficult, and overall in the paper the numericals were a little tough and like they need to be more calculated. And, like
The numericals were tough for physics and chemistry also.
yeah, they were at least doable, but maths were a little tough.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Ansh.
Ansh. You have just appeared for the JEE Main Session 2.
Yes.
How did your exam go?
It was like okay, fine, moderate, I would say.
It is moderate. Did you also appear exam for Session 1?
Yes, I did.
You also appeared for Session 1?
Yes, I attempted.
What did you feel was more difficult, Session 1 or Session 2?
I felt session 1 was much difficult because I got the 23rd Jan second shift, which was much difficult than this shift.
Okay. So which topic or which subject do you feel was more easier in Session 2?
So vector 3D and from math and from physics I would say rotational motion because they asked us about torque and all. That was much easier than last time.
Wonderful.
Hello, what is your name?
My name is Charan, madam.
So you just appeared for the JEE Mains exam, session 2. How was your exam?
Yes, madam, it is a very experience to me. Why? Because I am a competitive for JEE Mains 2. This is a moderate exam, madam.
Moderate exam. Did you appear for session 1?
Yes, madam, session 1. I attended session 1.
Okay, so how was it compared to session 1? Was it better or more difficult?
Yes, madam, it is better. It is some moderate exam for session 1. It is session 1 is hard, madam. It is some simple questions and moderate questions are come, madam.
Okay, so which subject did you find most easy and most difficult?
Maths, madam. Maths is a most
difficult or not?
moderate, madam. Not easy, not difficult. It is a moderate, madam. Hardest means physics, madam.
Hardest was physics. What was so hard about physics? Was the entire paper or some topics?
Some topics, madam.
Which topic?
That rotation motions, that's like topics, madam.
Rotational mechanics, right? That was difficult. Right. And what about chemistry?
Chemistry is totally some 10 questions, 10, 12 questions or theory questions, madam. That is too difficult to read the questions for time and management.
Okay. Organic or inorganic? Which one did you find more difficulty?
Inorganic. Organic is less questions are coming, madam.
All right. How many questions did you attempt in total?
43, madam. Total 43.
Amazing. And hello, what is your name?
My name is Megamsh.
Miyamsh. So you just appeared for the JEE Mains exam. How was the exam?
It's wonderful. Medium.
Medium. So did you appear for session 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Which was better, session 1 or session 2?
Session 1 only.
Session 1. Why do you feel so? Which parts were difficult this time?
Physics and chemistry.
Physics and chemistry was more difficult this time, you're saying?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So which one did you find most easy? Maths was easy?
Some questions are easy. 3 to 4 questions.
Okay. Which section did you struggle most with?
Section A.
For?
MCQs.
For which subject?
Max.
Maths MCQs you struggled with. How many questions did you attempt in total?
Total 36 to 38.
What's your name?
Hi, I'm Utkarsh.
You have just appeared for JEE Main Session 2. How did your exam go?
It was decent. I would say it was better than the session 1 for me.
That's so wonderful. What did you feel like? How was Session 2 better than Session 1? Like, which topics were more easier and how did you fare in Session 2 questions?
I would say I was more prepared for session 2. That's why I felt session 2 was easier for me. Paper difficulty wise, I would say session 2 was a bit difficult. Difficulty was more, but my personal experience was better in session 2.
Okay, that's great. That's wonderful. Which subject do you feel that was more easier for you for Session 2?
I felt physics the easiest.
Physics is the easiest. Yeah, we are also getting to know this from the other students. And what about maths and chemistry?
They were at decent level only. I won't say they were very tough. Chemistry was more or less, the questions from inorganic were very easy. Physical consisted two questions from mole concept. So it is an easy topic, decent topic. From maths, more like pattern-based questions were there. I would say 5 to 6 pattern-based questions. I found 5 to 6 pattern-based.
Wonderful. How many questions did you attempt it in total?
I attempted 50 questions.
50 questions. And how much you are confident about Session 2?
Say around 40 questions. I should be able to get 40 questions.
Are you also aspiring for JEE Advanced?
Yes, I am.
Any preparation plan for that?
Preparation plans, I don't think so. I will continue the pace I'm continuing and let's see what
Any tricks and tips for other JEE aspirants?
other JEE aspirants. Okay, for maths, you can go just check the pattern-based questions once more, questions from 3D geometry and from AP there were questions. So for maths, check out the pattern-based questions. Inorganic I felt easy, so do that. And
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you for your time, and I wish you best of luck for your future exams. Thank you. So that was all for the reactions we have got from JEE Main Session 2. We got a mixed bag of reactions, to be honest. Some students felt Session 1 paper was easier than Session 2. Some students felt the otherwise. But one thing was common. Students who were prepared well, fared well.
You can also let us know how your exam went down in the comments. Also, people who are appearing for the upcoming exams, upcoming shifts, all the very best to you. Keep preparing, keep studying, because at Narayana, your dreams are our dreams.